what we're going to do today is we're going to meter some suppressors, and we're going to do them on the same host with the same ammo. We're going to use, this is a legacy suppressor of ours. This is an INFINITI. We're also going to use a Cosmic, a Mystic X, and a Centurion, all on the same host and all with the same ammunition on the same day. And we're going to get mount sound meter data to give us a comparison. People keep wanting to compare the Cosmic to the Mystic X and the Centurion, so we're going to get that data today for you. What did it go to? It's like 123. Let's turn this down a notch. This can is incredibly quiet. You ready? Go ahead. Reset. Reset. Let's stick the Mystic X on the same host weapon. This is 165 grain hush. This is the new Mystic X with the weight block. All right, ready? All right. What today we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some comparison. We're going to be doing some testing. Freedom Munitions Hush 165 grain was our initial test setup. We've tried it with the HKVP9 and 4 different silencers with the 165 grain round nose. Well, Minuteman Munitions has sent us several boxes of 9mm to test out, and a box of 45 as well that we'll be doing on a different day. But we're going to be running this all through the gun for accuracy. They gave us 2 kinds of supersonic ammo and 1 kind of subsonic, and it's debatable as to whether or not the 124 grain is subsonic. We're going to find out. But we're going to shoot it for accuracy as well as sound suppression and get you some information on that as well. All right, we've got the Mystic X on the HKVP9, and this is Minuteman Munitions 147 grain. We're going to see how it compares to the 165 Hush. Not bad. It's only like 2 dB. First round is higher. I think they have a hotter powder in this load because it feels like it's actually actuating the gun better. Lock the slide back, that's a good sign. INFINITI probably is the quietest 9mm can we have ever built at Liberty. It routinely drops down into the teens. It was never really popular only because it was so expensive. Since the core was made of titanium, to reduce weight, it was kind of costly to manufacture. 126. Boy, they're pretty consistent, aren't they? Alright, now we're going to stick the Centurion on here. Let's see what the 147 grain Minuteman Munitions sounds like on Centurion. Ready? Tell me once you reset. Shot the stake on the target stand. Now we're going to shoot it on the Cosmic. See what we get. What were they averaging?
134. First shot was about 130.